Hey guys, welcome to Mom Likely. This week's cleaning motivation is going to be me decluttering and organizing and tackling my office space. If you are tuning in for the first time, I post weekly videos on cleaning motivation, motherhood, lifestyle, all kinds of different things, shopping hauls. Today I'm going to be organizing my office drawers in here and just getting all this trash picked up and just decluttering some things that need to get out of here. So my main objective for this is just to organize these drawers here and then also organize this closet space and get it cleaned up. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it if you would subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next one. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before we begin organizing today, I wanted to give a big thank you to Dashlane for sponsoring today's video. I teamed up with them so I could share with you how I've been micromanaging my online experience. So Dashlane is actually a desktop and a mobile app, and it's a way that you can manage your passwords, and it also monitors your dark web browsing. So it gives you your own VPN, so while you're on unsecure and public networks, it allows you to still stay safe, so that way all your payment and identity information doesn't get stolen or hacked. So this is one of the great features that I love about Dashlane is because oftentimes I've been Facebook hacked. Also, when I do online shopping, I'm also entering, re-entering information on there. When we do our taxes online, or if you're filling out job applications even, or sharing passwords with your kids, or if you're also a content creator and you have a bajillion online accounts that you have to keep track of, this is a great way to store all those passwords so nothing gets lost. So it just keeps you safe in general and just allows for a lot faster internet experience, because everything's pretty much like a two-step click because it saves everything, so you don't have to enter it. And if you have multiple accounts that you're logging in and out of on a daily basis, instead of carrying those passwords around, it does it for you, and you don't even have to think about it, because the worst thing you want to do is have one password for everything. So this really just cuts the worry in half and helps you manage and monitor everything. So thank you again to Dashlane for sponsoring today's video. So I will have a link listed in my description box down below if you would like to try Dashlane Premium free for 30 days with my link below. And also, if you would like to purchase Dashlane Premium, then you can get 10% off using Mom Likely. So let's get into today's video. I'm going to be cleaning, decluttering, and organizing this disaster of an office.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere, smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do believe in lovers like
So we've had this space set up for a couple of months now, and the kids definitely get more use out of it than us. They usually play their games in here and all their computer games and stuff, so it tends to get really messy really quickly, even though if I put a trash can in there. So I got these organizers right here. I do have one already installed inside of these drawers, but I got another one, and it's from TJ Maxx. It was on clearance for $12, I believe. So yeah, I'm just going to go in here and declutter these drawers a little bit. I have like equipment stuff and just kind of random manuals and things that I need to hang on to. So I'm just double checking everything that I have. And I also decided to get rid of a lot of the planner stuff that I had, because I am using my calendar that's on my pantry now, and I kind of just jot stuff down as I go and plan. So my objective for these drawers was to just declutter them, get all the trash out of there, and then just kind of make use of what I need the most on the very top, and then just put like the extra stuff for storage in the bottom. On the other side of this desk, the drawers actually contain all the kids' stuff, so I keep all their like arts and crafts and stuff supplies over on that side, and then some office supplies that they play with too that I allow them to use. That's all stored on the other side. I do have some more office decor too that I want to put up in a DIY project, but I just need to get my hands on a can of spray paint, and then I'll be sure to get that up. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you at the end.
You think you're something else, but I'm no fool. You put on quite a show, you think that I'm digging. And how you turn my life into an invitation, I don't know. Why can't you take a hint and just be loud? I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. With a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. Had my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Disappearing at last. broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. That's something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you.
And just like that, I'm done. I wish it could have went as fast as this video, but it didn't. But it didn't take me that long, to be honest. So that concludes this week's cleaning motivation. I hope you guys got extremely motivated to get up and tackle a project in your house. And I will definitely be seeing you guys this weekend. So don't forget to give this a like and subscribe if you're new, please. And I'll see you this weekend. Bye.